This is Eastern Security Network in Ebonyi Command. We are here to do our work. We are here to clean our bushes. We are doing our work. Eastern Security Network, Ebonyi Command. We are here to set them on blaze. We don't need Fulani in our bushes. We don't need Fulani herdsmen in our land. This is a Biafra land. We don't need Fulani in our land. Eastern Security Network, we are doing the wonderful work. We are here to settle the Fulanis the way they like. If anybody comes for this challenge, must go to heaven immediately. We are here to do our work. Eastern Security Network. Eastern Security Network. Put him! Push it down! Take him! Take him! Take him! Take them now! Take them now! Push it! Take them one by one! Get them now! Get him! Get him! Get them one by one! Push it up! The Eastern Security Network in Ebonyi. We are here to do the native for. We are here to set them on blaze. Fulani must get out from this land.